Okay, our topic is now, that is typecasting. What is typecasting? Typecasting means when it is a process by which we can convert one data type to another data type. That is called typecasting. Means we have different type of data. If we want to convert from one data type to another data type a value, then it is called typecasting. We have two type of typecastings: implicit and explicit. What is implicit typecasting? Implicit typecasting, in this kind of type conversion, resultant data are not specified and are chosen by the compiler. What is the meaning of that? In simple terms, if in implicit typecasting, what happens? Suppose we have one value int a equals to 5, okay, and double d. Here you see, first one, our source means our value, integer value a, we want to convert this integer type into double type. That means our source is a and our destination is d, that is double type. So if we write d equals to a, it is allowed. So what will happen? The value of d will be 5.0 and we will not lose any data also. But in the case of explicit, if we have a value double d equals to 5.5 and int a is there, if we want to write a equals to d, it is not allowed, because the width of a is smaller than width of d. So here our source is smaller than bigger than destination. In this case our source is smaller than destination, so automatically it can convert. But when the source is bigger than destination, it cannot convert automatically. For this we need something that is called typecasting, okay, or explicit typecasting. What we can write? We can write a within bracket type of a and then d. It is allowed. Here we are converting the value of d into int type. It is int, and then it will store in a. In this case, what will happen? The value of a will be 5. That means we will lose the data. So in implicit typecasting, we cannot lose data. We will not lose data. But explicit typecasting, we will lose data. We can, maybe. Okay. Another example is here. In this situation, what happens? It is called automation, automatic typecasting. It is done by compiler, but this is forcefully typecasting, means we have to force to convert. So in this case we may lose the data. So that is the difference between implicit and explicit typecasting. That means if our source is smaller than destination, that is implicit typecasting. If our source is bigger than destination, that is called explicit typecasting. Okay.